Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to download Twitter video post inside your Python application. So we are actually using the X and the Twitter API inside Python to actually download the video post inside X or Twitter. So if you visit X or Twitter, if you have a video that you want to download, so you just need to copy the video address. This is actually the address that you need to copy, the URL of the video. Simply copy this and plug this inside the script that I will show you in this video. So let me paste it. So as soon as you paste this video URL, let me run this Python script. So as I run this Python script, you will see on the left hand side a folder will be created where the video will be extracted. You can see it is downloading this video from Twitter, and the video has been downloaded. It has created this folder where the video is present. So if I see, we can play this video. So you can see 54-second video. So you can see that. So in this easy way guys, you can download any sort of video post inside X or Twitter. For this we are using a open source module inside Python, which is actually using the X and the Twitter API. So just go to this website, just search for this module YT-DLP. So this is actually a audio and video downloader module inside Python, and it also supports Twitter and X website. You simply install this module, and now I will show you step by step. Let me delete everything and start from scratch. So here you first of all need to import this module right here. So we simply say import YT_DLP. After importing this, we also need the operating system module, and here we specify the video URL. So here you need to paste the address of whichever video you want to download. Let me take a different example. Let me take this video. I simply copy this address of the video and paste it, and then this module contains this function to download the video. So you first of all need to give it a name with the extension, so like this. So it will create this folder downloaded videos. Inside this it will actually copy the title of the video plus the extension like this. So after this we need to make the directory. For this we will call the operating system module. So make directories, and inside this we specify the name of the directory. So this will be downloaded_videos. You can call this anything. Let me change it to result, and comma here, the second argument here. If the directory already exists, then you don't need to create other directories. So exist okay to true. After creating the directory, now this is the main business logic of this module. So YTDL, here you specify the options. So inside this JSON object we have three options. So output template, the format, and the extension of the result file. So we specify all these three options right here, which is, you can see the output template, the format of the video. So here you can select which quality of the video you want. So I want the best video, best audio. You can select whichever quality of the video you want. And lastly, we need to have the video in MP4 format. So after you specify all these options, we can actually call this method YT_DLP dot YouTube DL, and here you specify the options and then as YDL, and after that we call this function which is download, which will actually download the video by the URL. So this is actually the script here. In the behind the scenes it is using the X and the Twitter API to communicate with the Twitter server. So once you execute the script, now go to the terminal and just type python app.py. So you will see it will create this folder. You can see the result folder has been created, and you will see the video has been successfully downloaded. So you can see 14-second long video. So it is there in the MP4 format. So in this easy way you can download any post any video post from Twitter or X using this Python script really easily. You can replace any video right here. Just select any video. So just copy this and just paste inside the script. So as soon as you paste it, you will be able to download this. So once again, do this. You will see the downloading. So the good thing about this module is you don't require any API key, or there is no kind of limitation. You can download unlimited number of videos. Just the script, you just need the URL. After you have the URL, you can actually download the video from X or Twitter. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.